Two triangles are said to be congruent if they are equal in each and every aspect. We had discussed SAS, where S stands for side and A stands for angle. Today we are going to discuss ASA. A stands for angle and S is for side. Now, the side will be included between two angles. I mean, when two angles are correspondingly equal, then the side which is included, that should be equal as well. Now, if we have two triangles, let's say this is ABC and PQR. Now, for example, if we say that angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R, and the side included between these two angles, that is BC and QR, they are equal. In that case, these two triangles ABC and PQR, they will be congruent. Now we have to take care of the order. So corresponding to B we have to write Q, similarly corresponding to C we have to write R, and in this manner we are ensuring that BC and QR, they are in same order. Now, one most important thing we will discuss here, there is another criteria, that is AAS and ASA. We will try to establish the relationship between them. Now, we know that in a triangle, if two angles are equal, third angle is going to be equal as well, because suppose in the given figure, if we have x plus x and y, then the third angle will be 180 minus x plus y. If we have a congruent angle where the angles are P, Q, R respectively, where x is equal to P and y is equal to Q, then angle R is going to be 180 minus P plus Q, where P and Q are equal to x and y respectively. So R is nothing but 180 minus x plus y. So third angle is going to be same as well. So we can say that AAS and ASA, it doesn't really matter which criteria we take into account, because eventually they are going to be the same. Like if we consider here that AB is equal to DE and Y is equal to Q and R equal to G, then we are able to see that we have angle, and ACE criteria. And even if the side is between those two angles or not, it doesn't really matter, because if two angles are equal in two triangles, then eventually third is also going to be equal, as in the given example. Hence, we can say that AAS and ASA are same. Now let's have a question to demonstrate the concept. In the given figure, we have AB and CD. These are parallel lines, and let's say this point is O, and it is also given that OA is equal to OD. I mean, O is acting as a midpoint for AD. Now, if this condition is given, we will consider these two triangles COD and BOA. Now, in the question it is asking that if the value of OB is given, what will be the value of OC? Now, we have AB and CD parallel. So we can say that angle OCD will be equal to angle OBA. Similarly, if O is acting as a point where these two lines AD and CB are intersecting, then these two angles will act as a vertically opposite angle and they will also be equal. Now, it is already given to us that OA is equal to OD. So, in this case, by AAS, these two triangles are congruent. Now, since these two triangles are congruent, we can say that the value of OB will be equal to value of OC. by CPCT, that is corresponding part of congruent triangle. Now since the value of OB is already given as 6.2, so the value of OC will also be 6.2.